Welcome back to our channel. If you love the timeless charm of farmhouse decor, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into some beautiful and inspiring farmhouse decor ideas that will make your home feel warm, inviting, and full of character. Whether you live in the countryside or in a city apartment, these tips will help bring that rustic charm to any space. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. The first step in creating a farmhouse-inspired space is to incorporate natural materials. Wood, stone, and metal are at the heart of farmhouse design. You can add reclaimed wood furniture, natural stone walls, or even a brick feature wall for that rustic charm. The key is to keep things grounded and earthy. Adding indoor plants also brings nature indoors, creating a serene and fresh atmosphere. When it comes to color, farmhouse decor thrives on neutral tones. Soft whites, grays, and beige create a peaceful, airy atmosphere that serves as a perfect backdrop for your rustic pieces. Don't be afraid to mix in subtle accents of soft greens or deep blues for a touch of nature. This timeless color palette not only enhances the overall vibe of your space, but also makes it feel more open and inviting. Next, let's talk about adding vintage touches to your home. Antique pieces and vintage finds are a staple of farmhouse style. Think about incorporating old metal signs, rustic wooden furniture, or even vintage mirrors. These items carry history and personality, making your home feel lived in and full of character. Repurposing old furniture or accessories can also create a unique look that's all your own. Cozy textiles are essential for creating a farmhouse vibe. Layering soft, comfortable fabrics adds warmth and texture to any room. Throw blankets, chunky knit pillows, and plush rugs will make your home feel extra inviting. Look for materials like linen, wool, and cotton, natural fabrics that add both comfort and style. Draping a warm, knitted throw over the couch or a woven rug on the floor can instantly make your space feel like home. In the farmhouse kitchen, open shelving is a must-have feature. It's both practical and stylish, allowing you to showcase your favorite plates, bowls, and glassware. Wooden shelves add a rustic touch, and you can personalize them with mason jars, potted plants, and antique kitchen accessories. Open shelving not only makes your kitchen feel more spacious, but also creates an opportunity to display some of your most cherished pieces. Lighting can completely change the ambiance of a room, and in Farmhouse Decor, you can have fun with statement lighting. Think chandeliers made from reclaimed wood, vintage-style pendant lights, or iron sconces. These lighting fixtures add personality and a touch of rustic elegance to any space. If you want to add some charm to your kitchen or dining area, a large farmhouse-style chandelier will make an incredible statement. Farmhouse style is all about making your home feel personal and lived in. So don't be afraid to add personal touches that reflect your family's story. Display family photos in vintage frames, hang up a few handmade artworks, or showcase a quilt made by a loved one. These personal details not only elevate the warmth of your space, but also make it feel uniquely yours. Finally, embrace the beauty of the outdoors by bringing it inside. Farmhouse homes often have large windows that let in plenty of natural light, creating an open, airy feel. Consider adding wicker furniture, wooden planters, or even a small herb garden by the windows. Fresh flowers and plants in every room will help connect your indoor space with the natural world outside, bringing a refreshing and peaceful vibe to your home. And there you have it, some simple but stunning farmhouse decor ideas that will bring warmth, charm, and a rustic touch to your home. We hope you're feeling inspired to give your space a farmhouse makeover. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more design tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!